Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best bread machines this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Dual heaters, double kneading blades and a large viewing window are just some of the features you get with the Virtuoso Plus bread maker. With the large, easy-to-read LCD display you can take your pick from 15 different courses, covering gluten-free, sugar-free and vegan options. In a rush? No problem. Select the rapid course to get a deliciously baked fresh loaf in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. But that's not all, you can make use of the crust control to choose from light, medium or dark crust to suit all preferences. As if that's not enough, this maker allows you to go beyond bread. Simply think outside the box and use your fancy new appliance to create the versatile dough, cakes and even jam thanks to the flexibility of the courses. This bread maker doesn't just come with a whole load of features, but it looks good too. The attractive stainless steel design will make a great addition to any kitchen decor. The best key features are: makes traditional 2-pound loaf of bread, 12-hour clock with 13-hour delay timer, crust control, double kneading blades. From Hamilton Beach comes this more affordable bread machine. The 2 pounds digital bread maker comes with features such as a delay timer for the baking process to begin later, 2 kneading paddles for improved quality, 3 different crust settings, and 12 setting options. Options provided by this machine include 1.5 pound and pound, express bread, French, quick bread, and whole grain. What's more, the settings are also available for jam, dough or cakes, and this device simplifies baking down to just 3 steps. Just gather ingredients, add, and take it out when it's done. Furthermore, this digital bread maker is equipped with a large LCD display, a cool touch body, double kneading paddles, non-slip feet and non-stick pan for easy washing up after use. With every purchase, this product is packaged along with an extra kneading paddle, and a gluten-free recipe book. With this product, Hamilton makes baking at home a breeze as this machine does everything for you from mixing, to kneading, to baking. All you'll need to do is add the ingredients and wait. All in all, expert bread makers have loved this product as much as beginners, as despite how easy it is to use, it produces perfectly baked bread every time. And as it also offers the option of making special dietary bread, putting an end to days of roaming around shops looking for the best option for your family. Trust us, this purchase is not one that you will regret. The best key features are: up to 12 different settings, makes 1.5 pound or 2 pounds loaf of bread, non-stick pan and dishwasher safe pan, includes delay timer. Another alternative for amateur bakers is the Sunbeam programmable bread maker, a machine that is simple, straightforward and consistent. Whether you are after express bread baked in less than an hour, or you would prefer to use the delay timer so that it takes longer, this bread maker provides both options. With features such as a large LCD display screen and viewing window, a removable non-stick baking pan and push control panel. This product from Sunbeam has everything you need for making your own bakery-quality bread and at a very affordable price. Sunbeam is a trusted brand in the appliance market and does not slack off on quality with this product. With every purchase of this bread machine, they also provide an instructional book for guidance using your bread machine as well as a recipe book. We also love this product simply because it is easy to use and easy to clean. The best key features are: bakes up to 2 pounds loaf of bread, 12 different baking options, LCD display and viewing window, equipped with instruction book and recipes. Wake up to freshly baked bread every morning with the Cuisinart CBK 110 compact automatic bread maker, built to work for you and your family for years to come. This special machine will mix, knead and bake your bread, and for an extra touch, will also keep it warm. What's more, the machine also comes with pre-programmed menu options, allowing you to choose exactly how you want the end results to be. Furthermore, when you're feeling adventurous, this bread maker also gives the option of pizza, cakes or other treats. And that's not all, the machine is slick and stainless steel on the outside, small enough to fit onto your counter but big enough to make a 2 pounds bread. It also hosts an LCD display for easy menu selection and a large viewing window on its lid. Other features include a removable non-stick paddle for mixing and kneading, an audible tone to indicate when it's time to mix and beep signals to indicate when the cycle is done. Cuisinart has truly created a machine that does all the work for you. It has been widely appreciated for the simple reason that it produces delicious bread with little help required on your part and is also compact in size, easy to use and remains reliable and usable for years. The best key features are: bakes 2 pounds, loaf of bread, 12 pre-programmed menu options, 3 options for loaf sized, LCD display and viewing window. When it comes to simplicity and ease of use, the SKG automatic machine gives similar models a serious run for its money. Combine 19 automatic programs, easy-to-follow recipes and a 5-hour delay timer, and baking bread couldn't really get much easier. The programs include whole wheat and gluten-free options, so that creating tasty and healthier loaves is a breeze. If convenience is one of the most important considerations for you, this kitchen gadget ticks a lot of boxes. However, in terms of appearance, there is much to be desired. Unlike similar models at this price point, the design and appeal of this model are somewhat lacking. Other than that, it's a thumbs up from us. The best key features are: choose from 3 loaf sizes, automatic and intelligent settings, 19 programs.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.